Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th paper 2 mock question test number 1. So this is for the paper 2 for intelligent test. So in this video we are going to see the answers, or we can say the key answers, and in shortly how the answer comes. So that summarizedly we will going to see for test number 1 subject intelligent test. So 26 to 30, find the term that matches the given group in of the terms. So question number 26 is there: Mars, Mercury and Venus. So these are the planets in a solar system. So there is a option number 2, Earth, also a planet of the solar system. So that's why option number 2 is a correct one. Then question number 27, Ahirani, Varadi and Kokni. These are the dialects of the Maharashtra states. And option number 2, Malwani, also a dialects, means that is a sub language. Okay, so option number 2 is a correct one. Then question number 28, 24, 35, 81. So 24 means 25 minus 1. 25 is a square number, means square number minus 1. Then 36 minus 1, so that is a 35. 36 also square number. Like this one, 81, which is a square number minus 1, that is a 80. So like this one here, 99 means 100 minus 1, and 100 is a square number. Other are not possible. So option number 3 is a correct here. Question number 29, 8. 8 means 4 multiplied by 2, means double of the 4, and 4 is a square number. Like this one, 9 is a square number, and 9 multiplied by 2 is, that is 18. So 16 is a square number, and 16 multiplied by 2 is a 32. Like this, so 25 is a square number, so 25 multiplied by 2, that is a 50. So same, 36 multiplied by 2, and 36 is a square number, and that is a 72. And so that's why option number 1 means 72 is a correct one. Question number 30. So in question figures, if you observe the triangles having the 3 sides, so inside there is a symbols 4 numbers, means side is a 3, symbols are a 4, means plus 1 is there. Here side is a 5 and symbols are a 6. So here sides are the 4, so symbols are here 5, so means plus 1 here. So same here, sides are the 6 and the symbols are the 7. So that's why option number 3 is a correct one. Then instructions for question number 31 to 35, find out the relationship between the two terms and select the term for the question mark. So D and Richards. Then A means what is? So here D and A are the vitamins, and this Richards means this is the diseases. Okay, means due to this vitamin deficiency, this type of the diseases can forms. Okay, so with the deficiency of the A, the blindness means night blindness, means option number 4 is the correct. That can be happen. So question number 32. So these are the books and its authors, means Gram Gita. So this book is having the author Sant Tukdoji Maharaj. So like this one, Gita Rahasya, which is written by, or we can say the author of this book is Lokmanya Tilak, means option number 3 is correctly. Then question number 33, 70, 13, like this one, 110 and question mark. So 70 means, that is if you divide, if you subtract 70 minus 5, so that is a 65, and divided by 65 we are getting 33. So this is a 33 here. So like this one, 101 minus 5, so that is a 105, and divided by 5, so that we are getting the 21. So 21 is given in option number 4. Then question number 34. So here 4, 8 and 12 and question mark. So here 4 multiply by 4, that number itself, okay, and divided by 2. So means 4 multiply by 2, we are getting 8, and 8 is here. So like this, 12 multiply by 12 by 2, means that is a 12 multiply by 6. So 12 6 is 72. So 72 means option number 2 is a correct one. So here question number 35, this figure and this figure means this is a rotation of this one, means 180-degree rotations. So same here also, or we can say that is a mirror image. Okay, if you place the mirror here, so this comes. So same meaning, 180-degree rotation. So from this one, if you rotate the 180 degree, this line will comes this side. So this side means either option number 2 or 3. Then this line is here, so after rotation it will something like this. Okay, so means option number 2. So that's why option number 2 is a correct one. Question number 36. Find a meaningful word from the letter E, G, T, A, R. So from this one, great, G, R, E, A, T. So this word can be formed up. What is the synonym of the word formed from the first, third, and fifth? So first, third, and the fifth means that is a G, E, and T. Means that is a gate. And gate having the synonyms. So lose, no, have also, no, mouse, no, obtain, yes. Gate and obtain are the synonyms. So option number 4 is the correct. So question number 37. Newton expressed the law of motion mathematically. So this is a statement. Which of the following letters in this sentence occurs equal number of times? So if you count all this one, you will get the letter L and the N, means option number 3. These are in a equally counting. So I request students, so please count all the letters. You will find out L and N are in equal in numbers. Question number 38. So here in this series, how many times the prime number is followed immediately by an even number? Means if suppose these 2 digits, okay, so in this one the prime number and then followed by the even prime number. So means even prime number, which is the even prime number, that is a 2. Means this prime number followed by this even prime number, means that is a 2. So here prime number and here the 2. So that condition we have to search. Now here 2 is here, so this side 7, yes, this is a condition. Then 2, but this side not a prime number. Then 3 and here prime number, so this is another condition. Then 2 and here 5, so this is prime number. So 1, 2 and 3. So 3 means option number 2 is a correct one. Question number 39. Write the letter G to S just below the letter C to O. So C to O if you write down, then G to S, G to S. Then we have to write, suppose these 2 lines we have write down. Then which letters just above the letter K? So here somewhere K, so above the letter which will be comes here. So from G to K, what is the place number? So G to K, 1, 2, 3 and 4th is the K. So like this, C to O, 1, 2, 3 and 4th is the G, means that will be the G will come. So G means option number 3 is the correct. Question number 40. Suhas is elder to his brother by 8 years. So Suhas is elder. Then if Suhas is 19 years old today, so his brothers means 19 minus 8, that is a 11. Okay. Then what will be the sum of their ages after 3 years? So after 3 years means Suhas will comes after 3 years, that is a 22, and his brother wills 14. So 22 plus 14, so that is a 36, and 36 is given in option number. Now question number 41. 2 times the sum of Siddhi and Shreya's age is 54. So suppose sum of the Siddhi is x and Shreya is y. So x plus y, that is a 54. This one equation we have formed. Then the difference means now that is subtractions. In their age is 5 years, so that is the age is 5 years. So x minus y, we can say that is a 5. What is the Siddhi's age if she is elder? Siddhi's means this x. Okay, we have completed x minus y, means this is elder. So that's why this is a x minus y we have formed. Now, what is the Siddhi's age? So we will make the addition. So this is a 2x and this gone plus and minus. Okay, so is equals to, that is a 50. Now question number 41. 2 times the sum of Siddhi and Shreya's age is 54. Now 2 times means, suppose Siddhi's age is x and Shreya's age is y. So 2x plus 2y is equals to 54. So 2 times mention means divided by 2, that is a 27. Means x plus y, that is a 27. So x plus y, that is equals to 27. Then the difference in their age is 5 years. What is Siddhi's age if she is elder? Siddhi means x is elder. So x minus y, difference is given 5. So we will make addition. So this plus minus is 1, and this 2x is equals to 27 plus 5, that is a 32. means x is equals to 16. So x means this age is the 16. So 16 means option number 1 is the correct. Then question number 42, statement 1, all artists are singers. Then statement number 2, some artists play instruments. So out of this all artists, some are playing instrument but all are singers. So that is the meaning. So conclusion, all who played instruments are singers. No, because here some artists are mentioned, so this is incorrectly. Then conclusion B, all singers play instruments. All singers are playing instruments. No, because here all artists are singer, but some artists means some singers are playing here, but here all mentioned, so this is also the incorrectly. Then no, because here the some who playing the instruments are the artist. Okay, so some who play instruments are the singers, so this is a incorrectly. Then D, some singers play instruments. Some singers are playing instruments. Yes, this is the correctly, because here some artist means some singers, we can say. So all artists are singer means all singers are artists also. So some artist means some singers play instruments. So some singers play instruments. Yeah, this is the correctly. So in question asking which of the above conclusion are true, so only the D means option number 4 is the correctly. Then question number 43, at 4 o'clock what is the angle between the hour and the minute hand? Now in a clock, if you see, this is the 12, then 3, this is with 90 degree. Okay, then here the 6 and here the 9. So here two parts are there, 4 and 5, means this 90 degree, okay, having the equal 1, 2 and 3 parts. So means like this one. Okay, so 90 divided by 3 means this is the 30 degree. Okay, this one also the 30 degree and this one also the 30 degree. Okay, so this 90 degree plus this 30 degree, so that is a 90 plus this 30, so that is a 120 degree. So means option number 2 is a correct one. Then question number 44, how many triangles are there in adjoining figure? So this 1 2, then 1 2 and 3. So 1 plus 2, then this is equals to 3, then 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is a 6. So 3 plus 6, that is a 9, up to 9 here. Then including this one, so one triangle is formed, so plus 1. Then including all this, one more triangle, so plus 1, so that is a 11. So question number 44, 11 means option number 2 is a correct. Question number 45, so 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now how many angles are there in adjoining figure? So 1 2 3 4 5 means 5's triangular number is 15. So option number 1 is the correct one, means all the additions we have to do. Instruction for question number 46 to 50, find the odd man out. So question number 46, dholak, sarod, tabla and the mrudunga. So in this one, sarod is a different because this is a stringed instruments. Dholak and the tabla and the mrudung is a by hitting or by the means on a surface, means that is not having the strings, that is on a surface, that by the hitting of the with the fingers, so this sound is comes. So that's why option number 2 sarod is the different one. Question number 47, if then I, we and you. So I, we and you are the pronoun, but if is not a pronoun, so that's why option number 1 is a different one. Question number 48, 101, then 103, 105 and 107. Now in this one, 101, 103 and 107 all having the prime number, but 105 is not a prime number, so that's why option number 3 is a different one. Then question number 49, A, C and E. So A to C there is a one alphabet in this one, this is the B, then C and E having the one alphabet in between these two, like this one. B and D also having the one alphabet, that is a C, and D to F also having the alphabet E is there, means one alphabet in the adjoining to this alphabet. Same here also, M, N, O, O, P, Q. So this is also in a sequence of the one alphabet in between that one, but R, T, U is not having that one, so that's why option number 4 is the. Then question number 50, so M means 1 2 3 4 lines, and that is having inside the 4 lines square. So here the triangle having the 3 lines, and here 1, 2, 3 lines, which is form the H alphabet. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 lines, and here the 6. So this is a different one. And here the 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, and here 1, 2, 3, 4 lines. So this is a correctly as per option number 1, 2 and 4 are in same sequence, but option number 3 is a different one. Then instruction for question number 51 and 52. Select the answer figure which is exactly identical, means similar figure we have to see. So for question number 51, so if you compare all these ones, so if you will find the option number 4 is the similar one. Then for question number 52, so option number 3 is a similar one as a question number figure. Then instruction for question number 53 to 55. Select the term which replace the question mark in each of the following series. So here the question mark. Now 13, 16, then 22, then 24 and 28, and then question mark. So difference here the plus 3, here 6, then in between this one the, then here the 4 difference is there, and this difference comes from the previous numbers unit place, means this 3 differences comes from this 3. So 13 plus its unit number, this 3, so this difference comes, means 13 having this 3 digit, so with this addition of this one means 13 plus 3, this 16. So 16 plus this 6 means this unit place, so that 22 comes. So 22 plus 2, and this comes from this unit place 2. So 22 plus 2, that is a 24. So like this 24 having 4 at a unit place, so that's why additions of this 4, so that is a 28 comes. So 28 having this 8 is at the unit place, so we have to add the 8, and then 28 plus 8, that is a 36, and 36 is given in option number 2. Question number 54. So here 0, 5, 8, 17 and 24. So here the 1 square minus 1 we are getting 0. Here 2 square plus 1 we are getting 5. So then 3 square minus 1 we are getting 9, means minus 1 plus 1 minus 1, here plus 1 in a 4 square, then here also minus 1 by the 5 square. So same 6 square, then we have to do the, here minus means here we have to do the plus 1, so that is the 6 square means 36 plus 1, that is the 37, and 37 is given in option number 4. Question number 55. A, C and E. So in a alphabet number series, A, C and E means 1, 3 and 5. So means 1, 3 and 5, like this one. F, H and J means F, H and J means 6, 8, 9. So means in between this one letter is a, or alphabet is a hidden, okay, or we can say the omitting. So in the same sequence, K, M, O, then K, M, O, then P, R, S, and then U, W, Y. So this is a series. So here P, R and S, and then U, W, Y. So this is a missing, and which can be fit to the question mark. So that's why option number 1 is the correct one. Then question number 56. Find out the wrong term in the following series. So here 24. So from the 24, 2 and 4 having the addition 6, and 6 minus 1, that is a 5. So if you add that 5 with the 24, we are getting 29. So same 9 minus 2, that is a 7, and this 7, if you, so 9 plus 2, that is a 11, and 11 minus 1 means 10. If you add the 10 to the 29, we are getting 39. So 3 plus 9, that is 12. 12 minus 1, that is 11. So 11 plus 39, we are getting 50. So 5 plus 0, that is a 5 minus 1, that is a 4. So if we are adding this 4 in a 50, we are getting 54. So same here, 5 plus 4, that is a 9, and 9 minus 1, that is a 8. And if you add the 8 here, we are getting the 62. So means 64 is a different one instead of the 62. So 64 is given in option number. Instruction for question number 57 and 58. Select the mirror image of the question figure from the answer figure. So for the question number 57, if you compare, you will find out the option number 2 as a mirror image, and for the question number 58, so mirror image is option number 3. Then instruction for question number 59 to 60. Select the water reflections of the following question. So for the question number 59, So water reflections is given in option number, and question number 60, the water reflections is given in option number. Now question number 61, in a queue, Shabnam is 13th from the left. So from the left, she is on a 13th, and 17th from the right. Okay, from the right, 17th. What is the place of the middle person, Amir? So for this one, middle person's place we have to find out, and for this one we have to find out the total one. So here, so Shabnam means S is here. So C is the 13 from left, means here the 12 persons, and 17 from the right means here the 16 persons. So means 12 plus 1 Shabnam plus this 16. So that is a 29, and for the middle one, 21, 29 plus 1 by 2 means 30 by 2, so that is a 15th. So 15th is a middle person, and who is a Amir, means 15th is a given in option number 3. Now question number 62, in a queue 8 persons are standing ahead of Sima. So ahead of Sima, 8 persons. So suppose Sima is here, then leaving 6 persons in between. 4 persons are standing behind Sima, leaving 6 persons between. So after this one, 6 person, and then behind there are the 4 persons standing behind Sima, leaving 7 persons in between. Then leaving 7 persons in between. What is the number of the persons from the front end who is standing at the 7th place from the back end? So after this one, there are the 7. So this is the row. So for this one, Sima's one counting we will do. So 8 plus 1, that is a 9 plus 6, 15 plus 4, 19 plus this 7. So there are the total 26 persons are in a row, okay, in a queue. So what is the number of the persons from the front end, who is standing at the 7th place from the back end? So from this one, someone is standing here at the 7th place. So from the first, so 26 are the total. So 26 minus 7, that is a 19, and plus 1, so that is a 20. So that number is the 20th. Okay, so from this one, 20th is given in option number 4. While facing to the rising sun, so this is the north and this is east. So facing to the rising sun means to the east side. I turn through 135 degree to the right side. Now to the right means this is the right and this is left. So turning this one 135. So this is 90 and then 45. So these directions. Now facing to the south and the west. Now which direction will be my backside? And backside will be this one, so means northeast. So northeast is given in option number 1. Then question number 64. While traveling from X to Y, so X to Y, so this is the traveling direction we are just mark outing. How many times the right hand is in the east direction? Now east direction means these directions, okay, these directions. Now if we are moving from X means here the right and here the left, and when the right will be comes to the east direction. So after this one, this is the right, okay, then this is the right, then this is again right. So means this is a 1 time, then 2 time, again this is a 3 time, this is right, and again this is a 4. So 1 2 3 4. So 4 times means option number 2 is the correct one. Question number 65. By buying 2 newspapers each at rupees 4, 2 newspapers, that is important, daily from January 15th 2016 to March 24th 2016, what expenses is suffered? So from January 15th to January 31st, so that is 31 minus 15, so that is a 16, okay. Then March is there, so before that one the February, but February means 2016, so that is a leap year, so that's why there is a 29 days of the February. Then March having the up to the 24, so 24 days for the March. So 6 plus 4 10 plus 9, that is a 19, 1 carry, so this is a 6 means 69, but 2 newspaper is mentioned, so multiply by 2, so that is a 138. And expenses is asking, so 1 newspaper having the rupees 4, so multiply by this 4, so 8 for the 32, 3 here, 4 3s are 12 plus 3, that is a 15 plus 1, so 4 ones and 1, that is a 5, so 552. Question number 65. By buying the two newspapers each at rupees 4 daily from January 15th 2016 to March 24th 2016, what expenses is suffered? So here 15th January is the, from this one newspaper start, means up to the 14th January there is no newspaper, so means in a January 31 minus 14 we have to do, so means the newspaper days we have taken or purchased, that or buying, that days number of the days comes, so 31 minus 14, so that is a 17. Then for the February day month, so 2016 means leap year, so for the February that is the 29 days, and March up to the 24th, so this is the for the March. So additions of this one means there are the total days. So this is a 7 plus 9 plus this 4. So that is a 20. So 0 here, 2 there. Now 2 in carry. So 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. So there are the total 70 days newspaper is a purchase. But there are the total 2 newspapers, means multiply by 2. So there is a total 140 newspapers comes, okay, newspapers, but each newspaper having the rupees 4, so multiply by 4, so 14 4s are 56 and this 0 means 560, so option number 1 is the correct one. Now question number 66. Arnav born on 2nd February 2012, which was Saturday. What will be the day on his 4th birthday? So from this one, 4th birthday means 13, then 2014, then 2015 and 2016. So this is the 4th birthday, February. In this one, the 29th February, because this is the leap year, so here to here 2 days we have to add, here to here one, here 1 day, and here 1 day, and here 1 day. So 1 2 3 and then this 2 means that is a 5 days we have to add. So from the Saturday 5 days means that is a Thursday. So option number 3, 2 is the correct one. Now question number 67. Find the number which will replace the question mark in the adjoining figure. So the lower number is a 39. So 39, then 44. If we are writing on in a sequence, so after the 44 there is a 50, then 57, 65, then 74, then 84, and then 95. So here the difference is the 5, here to here difference is 6, here 7, here 8, then 9, 10, here 11. So from here to next number means 12 difference should be there. So 95 plus 12, that is 107. So 107 means option number 1. Now instruction for question number 68 to 69. The number of persons who like different fruits are shown in a following Venn diagram. Answer the questions based on it. So there are the grapes, mangoes, and the banana. So this is the Venn diagram. So on this basis, the number question number 68. By how much is the number of persons who like only mango and only banana greater than those who like all the fruits? So all the fruits means that is a 27. Only mango means that is a 54. And so additions were to do. Only banana means 41. So this is a 95, and here the 27. So how much that is the greater? So 95 minus this 27, so that we are getting the 68. So means option number 4 is the correct one. Then question number 69. How many persons like only two fruits? So only two fruits means this 21 and 32, means 21 means grapes and the mango. These two fruits are like by the 21%, and mango and the bananas like by the 32%. So 21 plus 32, so 1 plus 2, that is a 3, and 2 plus 3, that is a 5, so 53. So 53 means option number 2 is the correct one. Question number 70 to 71. The following table digits are shown for symbols. So here the table so symbols and their respective numbers. On this basis, so question number 70, so this symbol plus this one, so this is a 6, so 6 and then plus, now this symbol is for the 7 and multiply by this symbol for the 5. So 6 plus 7 multiply 5, so multiplication we will do first, so 35. So 6 plus 35, that is a 41, and 41 means 4 is this number means circle and 1 is this one, and this is given in, sorry, 1 means this one, like this one, and this is given in option number 3. Then 71, question number 71, so this and this symbol divided by this symbol, so this is a 7 divided by, now this symbol is a 5 and this symbol is 6, so 56 divided by 7, that is a 8, and 8 means this triangle or reverse triangle, so inverse triangle means option number 2 is the correct one. Then question number 72, in a code 4 and this symbol, so then 6 is equals to 26, then 2, then this symbol, and then 6 is equals to 20, then 6 and then square 8 and is equals to 50. What is the value of 8 and these symbols? And then okay, so now here if you do the some relations, so 4 square and 6 squares, and then we have to make the additions, so this is a 16 plus this 36, so that is a 2 plus 1, then 5, so 52, and here 26. Okay, so we have to divide it by 2, so that is a 26. Okay, so same here, 2 means 4 plus 6 means that is a 36, so that is a 40 divided by 2, we are getting 20. So same here also, 6 means 36 plus 64, so that is a 100, and divided by 2 means that is a 50. So same here, 8 means 64 plus that is a 4, so that is a 68 divided by 2 means that is a 34. So 34 means option number 4 is the correct one. In a code, the word IN is written as JION, so means JION. Now in a alphabet I and N, so after the I there is a J and after the N there is a O, so but JION, so I having the J means next alphabet comes in previously. Okay, so O having the next alphabet O but written as a previously one. Okay, so on this basis 2O as a UTPO, so 2 T means this one and UTPO, so O having this next alphabet P and T having next alphabet U, so T is one, next alphabet is a U but written in a previously, and O's next alphabet is a P but written in before the O. AS as a bats, so AS as a B, A, T and S, so A having the next alphabet B but written in previously, S having the alphabet T but written in previously. So how will you write the word UN in the code? So UN, so U having the next alphabet like a V, so right, start from the V and then U, then N having the next alphabet, that is the O, so O and then N, so VUON, so VUON means option number 3 is the correct one. Then question number 34. Question number 74. During an examination, the student sitting next to you ask and question answer for. Question number 74. During an examination, the student sitting next to you ask an answer of a question to you. What should you do? So for this one, you will advise to study sincerely after this examination. Okay. So other options are not as a emotional. Okay. Then question number 75. Which of the following is improper in the conservation of natural resources? So for this one, option number 3 is the correct one, which is advise others to use more and more water. Okay, thank you.